I started thinking in English. This is a very common question. Most of people say you have to start thinking in English. Our teachers say you have to start thinking in English. Our tuition teachers say you have to start thinking in English. Even you are watching any video, they must say you have to start thinking in English. People just say you have to start thinking, you have to start thinking. But how? How I can start thinking in English? Because I'm beginner. I don't know what to do, what not to do. But people just say. And most of people say if you start thinking in English, you can improve your spoken English language. You speak better English. Right, my friend? You often listened. So, guys, I want to say you have a same problem. So, please watch this video so that if you have any doubt, you must get it. I want to clear your doubt. So, hello guys, my name is Shivangi. So, whatever I asked you, these questions, if you have a same problem, so I want to give you answer in this video. What to do, how to improve your English language, how to create environment, how to start thinking in English. So please watch this video till that. So my friend, there are not so many things to do. You have to just adapt three things. Yes, you heard me right. You have to implement only three things and then you start thinking in English. You're able to speak English. Whenever you talk to people, you're able to speak in English. You're able to define things in English. You're able to narrate stories in English. You're able to explain things in English. So what is these things? First of all, my friend, you have to create environment. You might be thinking what she's telling. She's crazy. Even most of people, they don't have an environment to speak English. There's no one. There's no any people who can talk to me. And second thing, I don't have a dare to speak with people. If I have an environment, if I have anybody, I can't talk to him or her because my English is not well. I get stuck a lot. So what do you mean? So my friend, that not that meaning. I want to say in this era, each and everybody has environment to speak English. You have everything whatever you need. It is just a language and you can learn this language easily. There is no need any partner. There is no need any person and then you can learn English. Yes, you heard me right. I know you might be thinking she's crazy. She's insane. What she's telling. Most of people say you have to start talking to people and then you will improve your English. But she's telling there's no need any people. Yes, my friend. Because you need English. You want to improve your English. It is your decision to speak English. You want to become a good speaker. So my friend, the ball is in your court. So you have to take your first step. You have to speak. What do you mean? I want to say you have to start talking to yourself. Yes, you heard me right. You have to start talking to yourself. You are the one you can teach English. You can speak yourself. You can become a good speaker if you start talking to yourself. It might be sound very weird, very strange. You might be thinking how I can talk to myself. It's hard to talk to myself. But my friend, that's the reason. You are the one you truly need English. You want to pick up English. You want to learn English. You want to become mastermind in this language. So first of all, you have to start talking to yourself. You are the one you can raise your English. You can speak English. You can pick up English. That's true, my friend. Earlier I told you there are three things to improve English. One of them, that is, you have to change your phone setting. You have to change your phone setting. What do you mean? It's mean whenever you get any notification, you have to turn into only in English. If you turn into only in English, I'm damn sure whenever you just operate your phone, you receive messages completely in English and you have to read. Even messages start popping into on your screen, and that time you read. The first thing you have to create environment. That is first thing. And second, my friend, you have to start thinking in English. You might be thinking how I can think in English. I'm gonna tell you. There is no need to take tension. Listen to me carefully. What is the meaning of asking questions myself and answering them? I want to say, my friend, you have to ask multiple questions yourself and answer them as well. As much as possible for you, just give answer. Doesn't matter you're making mistakes a lot. Just keep making sentences in English. How? You know, I want to say instead of answering, you can ask questions yourself. That's good. And I'm sure you are a beginner. It is hard to give answer, but it is easy to not ask questions yourself. So you have a question, which type of questions I have to ask. So my friend, you can ask any questions like what I'm doing here, what I'm gonna do, and you can say, I have to scrub dishes. Who's she? Where she's going? Uh, what is my cat is doing here? What? Why my cat is here? Why that dog is coming here? You know, what is my brother doing? My mother is cooking food. Why is she cooking food? My father is going out of home. My little brother is playing game. He's playing Free Fire game. This type of questions you have to ask. If you're unable to answer, at least you can ask multiple questions. And literally, my friend, that is a fun. Try to ask so many questions, but you're able to answer them. So just say, suppose you have a sister and she's playing a game. Just ask a question yourself. Is she playing a game? Yes, she's playing a game. Where is she playing game? She's playing game at home. Why is she playing game at home? She's playing game at home because she can't go out of home. Mother will not her go out of home. These type of you have to ask questions and answer them. Literally, it is amazing. It's okay. It's completely okay if you make a lot of mistakes. Just keep making sentences in English. Literally. And the third thing, that is, you have to start explaining things in English. Whatever you can see, just try to explain in English. How you can explain? I'm gonna show you. Suppose you have a pen, you have a it is a earphone. Yeah, if you have a book, you can take anything is anything. I'm gonna give you an example. Listen to me carefully. This time you can see I have a pen, right? I have a pen. Just try to explain this pen in English. How? I'm gonna show you. Listen to me carefully. Suppose, just say, I have a pen. I am gripping this pen. Uh, it has two colors, white and blue. It has cap. Something is written on the pen. It looks stylish pen. Try to, make sentences in English. In this way, try to explain things in English. And second thing I showed you, that is a earphone. Just try to explain in English. It's completely okay. You're unable to make so many sentences, but try to make at least 3 and 4 sentences in English. How? Listen to me. Just say, I have earphone in my hand. It has black color. It has black color. It is a very, very useful. Uh, there is no need any charger to use it. You can use it easily. If you need it, if you want to purchase it, so there's no need to pay a lot of amount. You can pay at least 50 rupees, yeah, 100 rupees, and then you can get it. Try to take things and explain in English. And now you can see behind me, there's a pillow. Just try to explain that pillow in English. Just see, there are three pillows, right? There's a couch behind me. There's a board behind me. There's a dressing table behind me. There are two flowers on the wall. In this way, you have to explain in English. Doesn't matter you're making mistakes. Just try to speak. You have to focus how to explain. If you make mistake, it's me. You're learning. You're making mistakes because you are learning. Right? You have to adapt only three things and see you will able to think in English. You're able to make sentences in English. Please adapt these things and go to the next level. Thanks a lot, my friend, watching my video till then. And one more thing, keep on practicing and keep on smirking. See you guys.